So in this video, we're going to look at simultaneous equations with different signs. Now, when I say different signs, I mean here with plus and a minus, they're different signs. It becomes a plus. Now, before, in the previous video, we had both of them were pluses, which gave us a subtraction. So this time, with the different signs, it becomes a plus. So as before, I've done one already to look at. So we've named that 1. That's our 1, our equation 1. 2x plus 4 is 6x. A plus and a minus is a nothing. 14 plus 8 is 18. 6x equals 18. And then we divide this 6 into 18 and it goes 3 times. Now we need to find our y because we found our x. We will now substitute our x into equation 1. So 2, our x is 3, plus 4y equals 14. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4y equals 14. Now we need to get this number over the equal sign because we're trying to get rid of everything, so we just have y on its own. So we move that 6 over, which it becomes a negative. 14 negative 6 equals 8. And then we divide our 4 into 8 and it goes 2 times. So we have now found our x and our y. However, as we know from previous videos, we can always check our answer. So let's whack them all back into number 1, equation 1. So that's 2, and our x is 3, plus 4, and our y is 2, equals 14. Now, if this does not equal 14, you have done something wrong, and you need to go back and look to see where you've gone wrong, because one of your y or x's is wrong. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4 times 2, which is 8, gives us 14. So we are comfortable. We know when we walk out the exam and think about how many marks we could have got, we know that we've got the full marks possible, which is generally 3. So let's do 2 together. Once again, let's look at the signs. It's a plus and a minus, so it becomes a plus. 5 plus 3 is 8. X plus y minus y is nothing. And 11 plus 9 equals 20. So we've now got to divide 8x into 20. And as you can see, it doesn't quite go. So 8 goes in twice as a whole. 0.5. So x equals 2.5. So we found our x. Let's find our y. So we're going to substitute into our equation 1. So we have 5 times 2.5 plus y equals 11. So 5 times 2.5 is 12.5 plus y equals 11. So we're going to move that over. So it's going to become a negative 12.5, which gives us 11 take away 12.5 is minus 1.5. Don't be frightened of these negatives, it's just another number. So y is negative 1.5. Okay, so our x is 2.5 and our y is minus 1.5. So let's check our answer. By whacking it back into equation 1, we have 5 times 2.5 plus negative 1.5 should all equal 11. Well, this is 12.5 plus negative 1.5 equals 11. So we know we've got our full 3 marks. Just clarifying, a plus and a negative is a negative. So what we've actually done there is 12.5 minus 1.5. And that's how we get our 11. And the final one, the same again, minus and a plus. So it's a plus. 4 plus 6 is 10x. We can cancel them out, a minus and a plus. 8 plus 22 is 30. And x is now 3, because 10 divided by 30 goes 3 times. That was a really simple one. So, one equation. So let's substitute our x into equation 1. Four times 3 is 12. Minus y equals 8. 12 over there, remember, becomes a negative. So now we have 8 negative 12, which is negative 4. So we're left with minus y, negative 4. Now if you divide that, it becomes a 4. Okay, so we've cancelled out our minuses and it just becomes a plus. And if you think, oh, I'm not sure what I've done there with all these negatives, check your answer, which I just want you to do naturally. It's part of the sum. It doesn't take 5 seconds. So back into our first equation, x is 3 minus y, which is 4, should equal 8. So that should be a 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 4 equals 8. So there you go. You've got it right. There's your 3 marks.